Oh,
Yeah.
okay. So it's essentially.
Looks like mine. There we go. Need to clean that out a little bit more.
Would be easier if you had a block in here. Figured it was Mountain View in a corner, it's probably that one, and then the color.
Here we go. She's swinging.
You're in there?
Pull that jack out. She's ready to go. I would love to figure out. I'm sure they've had a lot of feedback too. Hey, what if we did this?
Well, a lot of real ones.
Uh-huh. I think I went in three, so come on. But these are also, they're tested to a million cycles. There we go.
On that side faster.
It might, yeah.
Does it?